Let's see how to make a balloon dog. We can measure the first bubble as 4-finger bubble. We can twist that and always twist in the same direction. Then our second bubble, little smaller than the first one. Our third bubble. Remember to twist always in the same direction and join the second and the third bubble. Okay. So next we will twist one more bubble for the neck. Approximately 3 fingers or less, or just a small pinch for the neck, and fifth bubble and the sixth bubble for the front legs. So twist that and join the fifth and the sixth one again. Gently give a squeeze and another bubble, and make 2 more similar bubbles for the back legs and join those 2 bubbles. Easy balloon dog is ready. So I hope you all liked it. Please do try making this. It's very simple. Just follow the instructions. Please like my channel and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Happy twisting.